Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to go over a stock that is trending right now. AI based stocks, really mostly all of them are trending right now, but this is an AI based stock that is trending. SoundHound AI, as you can see on your screen. Voice artificial intelligence that you can use at they're expanding into different areas instead of where they were before, and I'll explain that in a moment. So this is an AI based artificial intelligence company, and they do basically AI voices, and it's basically automated to, instead of replacing a human being to do an activity, they use a voice to do it. For example, like a fast food restaurant drive through, they are incorporating that into restaurants where you can order with the SoundHound AI. But this is just one company like it. But this is a stock you should consider investing in, whether you trade it today or whether you hold on to it long term. I think either one is best, and I will go over that right now. SoundHound AI, the nickname is SOUN. And yeah, let's get on with the information. On NASDAQ, it is SOUN stock nickname, and the stock price is currently $16.91 ending Friday, up 23.7% because it announced last Friday that it will be expanding into healthcare, into the healthcare industry. And since then, the stock has pretty much surged. And yeah, we're going to look for a gap up today. Gap up this Monday. Let's get started with it. SoundHound AI will power Texas Church's Chicken AI at drive-thrus. So this is the voice you'll be hearing if you go through a lot of drive-thrus. If you go to a restaurant, this is the voice you'll be hearing, as well as Torchy's Tacos. I haven't really heard much about that restaurant, but that was included in the research that I performed for this video. And they will be handling the phone ordering for that company. Plus now, which is the reason why the stock surged on Friday, the AI, healthcare AI, will be added to its portfolio as it expands and plans on exploring new opportunities. And yeah, the stock rose 703% in a year on year. They only reported a 45%, 45.9% million in revenue as of 2023. Let me include that right there. And yeah, it is a gap up from Friday as it will start pre-market. Well, I can show you the chart. As you can see right now, after hours, it went up to $17 US dollars after hours ending Friday. So we're looking for a gap up this morning on Monday morning. And more than likely we will get it. Now, currently, it shows 16.78. That is set to increase, and I will show you why. We'll go over the numerology here in a moment. This is a stock you may want to consider holding on to. As I say with nearly all the AI stocks, you want to hold on to them long term. But if you choose to trade, I will say trade this later in the day, around pretty much right around close. Right around close, just before close, in my opinion, an hour before close. Now, stock market is based on Eastern time zone, and the number 15 is significant here. Today leaves 15 days in the year. December 16th leaves 15 days in the year. SOUN, its nickname, equals 15. As you can see right here, SOUN equals 15. A is 1, Z is 26. Add the double digits accordingly, you will get 15. If you do not reduce, SOUN equals 69. Reduction is when you separate the integers of double digit numbers and add them together. For example, 11 would equal 2, K would equal 2 in a reduction, because you would separate the ones and add them together instead of K equaling 1, if it equaling 11, that is. All right. SOUN 15. 15th hour of the day is 3 p.m. And this is why I recommend trading later in the day. I ultimately recommend holding on to these AI stocks. AI is trending right now, and it can only grow from here because it is the future. Remember, Tesla once talked about the importance of what? 3, 6, and 9. 15 is 3 5s or 5 3s. 3 is the number of potential consistent growth, and 5 is the number of completion. Think about 5 toes on your foot, 5 fingers on your hands. And yeah, the 16th hour of the day is market close at 4 p.m. Eastern. 4 p.m. Eastern. But 15, 3 times 5 equals 15. That's where we get these 15 before we move on to the 16. Is the 16th day of the month. 15 is 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. And SOUN equals 15. As I just showed you before, the 15th hour of the day is 3 p.m. Consider that. But always analyze the charts. Look for a fall before you indicate a rise. If you see a sudden fall, that's when you want to buy. That's when you want to buy when you trade. When you see a sudden fall, cause that, especially with a trending stock, when you see a sudden fall, let me show you an example like this. When you see a sudden fall like this right here, that's when you want to buy, like right here. 1386, bam, popped up to 1469 within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, basically. When you see a sudden fall, buy immediately. Trade later. This is trending stock. Trade later. Look for a sudden fall. Right now it's 1678. You actually want this to go down a little bit. Look for a gap up opening, but look for a sudden fall before you buy it. That's all I'm saying. But ultimately, I recommend holding on to the stock, as AI will only grow in the future, as it will be everywhere here in the near future. The 16th hour of the day is at the stock market close at 4 p.m. Eastern. 4 p.m. is the 16th hour of the day. It is the 16th day of the month, and it has 16 date numerology. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 equals 16. But yeah, this is one I want to consider. I have 2 more. I'll be adding 2 more stocks to the daily Patreon. We're doing a daily 3. Daily 3 stocks to invest in. Monday through Friday, more than likely. I'll try to fit in some weekends with the analysis and things like that. But we'll also be doing meme coins in the middle of all this. But yeah, this is the stock you want to consider, AI stock you want to consider for Monday morning, December 16th. And yeah, I've been Scott. Pray every day. Join the Patreon. I will see you guys in the next video. 2 more will be added on the Patreon today. But yeah, this is just one. We'll be doing 1 a day on video, and 2, you'll have all 3 of my recommendations on the Patreon. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Pray every day. I've been Scott. Take it easy.